Welcome back to the Tell Me More Now channel. How to let go, a step-by-step guide. Letting go, whether of a person, a situation, or an emotion, can be challenging but is essential for personal growth and emotional well-being. Here's a guide to help you navigate this process. Subscribe to be notified of new self-help, health, and wellness videos. 1. Acknowledge the need to let go. Recognize the impact. Understand how holding on affects your emotional and mental health. It may drain your energy, cause stress, or prevent you from moving forward. Identify what needs release. Is it a past relationship, a mistake, or a fear? Clarity about what you're letting go of is crucial. 2. Accept what you can't control. Embrace uncertainty. Realize that you can't control everything or predict the outcome of every situation. Accepting this can be freeing. Shift your focus. Concentrate on what you can control, your responses, actions, and mindset. 3. Allow yourself to feel. Process your emotions. Avoid suppressing your feelings. Allow yourself to experience sadness, anger, or grief, as these are natural parts of letting go. Write down your feelings. Journaling can help you express complex emotions that might otherwise feel overwhelming or confusing. 4. Challenge negative thoughts. Reframe the narrative. Replace thoughts like, "I'll never recover," with more constructive ones, such as, "This is hard, but I will heal." Practice self-compassion. Speak kindly to yourself. Letting go is not about failure but about making space for new growth. 5. Detach from the outcome. Let go of expectations. Holding on to specific outcomes can keep you stuck. Be open to different possibilities that might be better than you imagined. Cultivate trust. Have faith that things will unfold in the best way for your personal growth and well-being, even if it looks different from what you expected. 6. Forgive, if necessary. Forgive yourself and others. Holding on to anger or resentment ties you to the past. Whether it's yourself or someone else, forgiveness is a crucial step toward emotional freedom. Understand forgiveness isn't condoning. It's about releasing the emotional burden, not necessarily forgetting or excusing the behavior. 7. Focus on the present. Engage in mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, can help you stay grounded in the present moment. Appreciate what you have now. Shift your focus from what's missing to what is abundant in your life right now. 8. Create new goals. Set healthy boundaries. As you let go, define new personal boundaries that support your emotional and mental well-being. Start new habits or hobbies. Channel your energy into new interests or goals that excite and inspire you. 9. Surround yourself with support. Reach out for help. Letting go can be tough. Connect with friends, family, or a therapist to share your journey. Find a community, whether through support groups or social circles. Being with others who understand your experience can provide comfort and encouragement. 10. Practice patience. Be gentle with yourself. Letting go is a process, not a single act. Some days will be harder than others, and that's okay. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge small victories along the way, whether it's a day without dwelling on the past or simply feeling more at peace. Final thoughts. Letting go is not about erasing the past but about freeing yourself from the weight it holds over your present and future. With patience, self-compassion, and intention, you can learn to release what no longer serves you, opening the door to new possibilities and growth. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, letting go is a process, and it's okay to take your time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below.